how to fix the Bluetooth audio delay in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to help you fix your Bluetooth audio delay in your iPhone. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your settings and then go to Bluetooth. Now try toggling it off and then toggling it on again. Sometimes doing that also improves the connectivity. Now another thing is you can swipe down from the right and then you'll find the battery icon. Just if it is tapped and the low power mode is turned on, then try turning off the low power mode to improve the Bluetooth performance. Now, another option is you can also toggle off the Wi-Fi to allow better connectivity for the Bluetooth. Now, if this also doesn't work, then what you can do is you can choose the device that you are trying to connect to, tap on the eye icon beside it, and then tap on forget this device. Once you forget that device, you'll have to reconnect it again, and then the connectivity process will start again, which will refresh the connectivity. However, if these also doesn't work, then you might want to start restarting your device because there might be some issue in your device as well. Just swipe down from the right and you'll find power button on the very top right. Just tap on it and restart a device. Sometimes restarting a device also goes a long way. And that's it. I hope one of the solution works for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.